This is the legend of Nice Drew and Pistol Pete, the masters of the lobby. On any given night you'll find them there. Nice Drew smile and Pistol Pete stare. Whether talking about footy or telling a joke, if you're ever in the lobby, there's no better folk. But that's where they'll be. In the lobby you'll see people gather to chat with Nice and Pete. They are the masters of the lobby. They are the masters of the lobby. If they're not in the lobby, then they're hosting a room. They'll be watching the footy or a movie soon. So grab yourself a pie and some beers and snacks. Join the room with Nice and Pete. Sit back and relax. That's where they'll be. In Pete's room you'll see people gather to chat with Nice Drew and Pistol Pete. They are the masters of the lobby. They are the masters of the lobby. They are the masters of the lobby. Now the legend is told, you know where to find them. So come on and meet Nice Drew and Pistol